Hey guys, good morning. I have to be honest and I have to tell you the truth. Valo is kind of unusable right now and it has a lot of problems with cross chat, with messages not properly being saved, and a lot of stuff a lot of stuff, and it's blown out of proportion because the code base is huge. It's getting bigger by the day. I'm trying to implement all feature requests from Valo Mail, and we are kind of rushing. We were rushing, and then we reached a point where it became too big, and we started playing a whack-a-mole. We fix one thing, another thing breaks, and now we have to isolate properly everything according to the new style guide. The new style guide is much bigger, by the way. If you ever downloaded the style guide from getvalo.dev, check out there is a new one, which is much better than the old one. Now that we reached such size, we actually understand what we really need and how to actually refactor and treat everything and make everything truly isolated. And now that we have the shape of a big project that is managed pretty much by a one team, a one person team. So yeah, you will have to forgive me, but the Valo got too big for itself. So now we have to take time and just complete the data layout migration. It's still not finished. Complete the chat. I don't even know how to call it. It's not migration. It's like we need to map out the entire everything that is touching chats, and then it also connects with data layout migration, and it also connects with this huge refactor that is going on right now. So yeah, we need a clean ground, and it will take maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks. You can use the old versions right now. They are still workable, still usable. Even I'm doing this refactor right here. But I'm not touching this anymore. I'm not touching it for a week or two. Maybe I'll use the stable version if I need to work on something else. But working on Valo is not something that I'm going to do in the coming few days at the bare minimum. But ideally a week or two. We need to clean everything up. Just cleaning, just making sure that everything is clean and obvious and the model can reason about what's going on and everything is organized. Just simply said, organized properly. Especially now that we have the big picture, we have the philosophy, I explained how everything should behave, and we have, yeah, pretty much the philosophy of how things should be. So I don't even need to be here. I don't need to guide the sessions. They already know what needs to happen. They have the new style guide. They have the philosophy of the behavior. For example, I'll tell you something simple about, because a lot of people asked me, what do you mean philosophy? So it doesn't have to be a philosophy. It's just a big word. In reality, for example, cross-chat notifications, we had a lot of problems with them. And they have different places for them, and the simplest philosophy is that cross-chat notification should behave as a user message. It shouldn't be any different. By the way, look at this. You see how the application is lagging? It's like, look, it takes 2 seconds to react to my click. There is just, it's cooked. It's cooked. It needs to be refactored and cleaned up from the ground up, from the root. And so no more feature requests, no more reports for the coming week or two, because we need to make it stable first, because it's just too much. It has more features than any desktop app for AI ever, like by one person. And it's still working though. It's still working. Kind of unusable though. So yeah, if you want a more stable version, get the older one on Discord, and I'll catch you on the next update.